Most freelancers think you need a massive team or a 5-figure software budget to build websites that actually convert. But Google just dropped 2 completely free tools that let you compete with entire agencies using nothing but smart prompts and strategic asset creation. This is called Whisk and Anti-Gravity, and I am about to show you how to turn this into a service you can bill clients for starting today. I am Paul James, and I help people turn free AI into real leverage without spending a dime on monthly subscriptions or fancy platforms. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here's the problem most solo operators face right now. Your local businesses need landing pages, product showcases, and lead generation sites. They are paying agencies $3,000 to $8,000 for basic websites. But those agencies are just using templates and outsourced developers anyway. You have been locked out of this market because you cannot code, and hiring developers eats your entire margin. That ends today. Google released Whisk and Anti-Gravity as free tools through their Labs program. Most people think these are just cool experiments. But when you understand the build and bill framework, you realize this is a complete website production system you can monetize immediately. Here is what the build and bill framework means in plain English. You are not building websites for yourself. You are building billable assets for local businesses who desperately need digital presence but cannot afford traditional agencies. Whisk handles your visual asset creation. Anti-Gravity handles your code generation. Together, they replace an entire dev team. Let me break down exactly how Whisk works first. This tool builds visual assets using 3 control layers that work together. First, you control what appears in the frame, meaning your main product or focal element. Second, you control the environment surrounding that element. Third, you control the visual treatment, which is basically the artistic style and aesthetic direction. Start by feeding Whisk your initial concept. Drop in an existing image if you already have reference material, or describe what you want generated if you are starting from scratch. What makes Whisk different is that it creates reusable design elements, not just one-off pictures. Every asset can be animated. Every component stays consistent with your chosen style. This matters because consistency is what separates amateur sites from professional work that commands real money. Here is where things get wild. Once you generate your base image in Whisk, you can animate it with a simple prompt. Ask for a smooth rotation. Request a zoom effect. Add subtle motion that makes static product pages feel premium. These animations used to require After Effects skills or expensive motion designers. Now you just type what you want. Most people never realize this part. The animations Whisk creates are web-ready formats. You are not getting massive video files that slow down load times. You are getting optimized assets that keep your pages fast while looking expensive. Speed plus aesthetics equals higher conversions for your clients. Now here is how Anti-Gravity fits into your workflow. This is Google's free code editor that runs on your computer. You install it once. Then you combine your Whisk visuals with a descriptive build instruction that tells Anti-Gravity exactly what kind of site structure you need. Anti-Gravity uses Gemini 3 Pro to plan the entire build, then executes every component automatically. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. You are not just getting generic templates. Anti-Gravity writes custom code specific to your prompt and your assets. It builds navigation, hero sections, feature blocks, call to action buttons, and responsive layouts that work on mobile. This is production-ready code, not a rough draft. Let me show you exactly how this becomes income. Fitness studios need booking pages. Real estate agents need property showcase sites. Local restaurants need menu and reservation systems. E-commerce sellers need product landing pages. Every single one of these is a Whisk plus Anti-Gravity project you can charge for. Here is the pricing structure that works. Charge $1,500 to $3,000 for a complete landing page package. Your cost is zero because both tools are free. Your time investment is 2 to 4 hours once you know the workflow. That is leverage most freelancers dream about but never actually build. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me walk you through a real example. Imagine you approach a local boutique gym that is still sending people to their Instagram for class schedules. You offer them a custom booking page with animated hero graphics showing their equipment and space. You use Whisk to generate those visuals, maybe a rotating shot of their signature workout area, maybe animated icons for their class types. Then you feed everything to Anti-Gravity with a prompt describing the layout, the color scheme, and the functionality they need. 4 hours later, you deliver a complete website. They can connect to their domain immediately. You charge $2,500. They think you are a bargain compared to the agency quote they got for $7,000. That is a $2,500 project delivered using completely free tools. That is the build and bill framework in action. Here's another angle worth exploring. Find service providers who already have websites but need landing pages for specific offers or promotions. A chiropractor running a new patient special, a salon launching a bridal package, a contractor promoting a seasonal discount. These are fast turnaround projects because the scope is narrow and focused. You build one high converting page in Whisk and Anti-Gravity. They pay you $800 to $1,200 for something they can launch immediately. The beauty is you can knock out 2 or 3 of these in a single day once you get efficient. These are projects that scale efficiently once you learn the system. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. You do not need to understand code to use Anti-Gravity effectively. You need to understand prompting, and you need to understand what clients actually need. The technical execution happens automatically. Your value is in knowing what to build and how to present it as a premium service. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. But once you realize the tool handles complexity while you handle strategy, everything clicks. Think about how fast you can scale this. One Whisk and Anti-Gravity project per week is $6,000 a month. 2 projects per week is over $10,000. You are not trading hours for dollars anymore. You are trading strategic prompts and asset curation for billable services. And here is something most people overlook entirely. You can package these sites with simple ongoing maintenance for recurring revenue. Charge clients $200 a month to update content, swap out seasonal graphics, or refresh promotional messaging. 5 maintenance clients is an extra $1,000 monthly with minimal effort on your end. Here's what most tutorials completely miss. Whisk is not just for product photos. Generate custom illustrations for service businesses, create animated backgrounds for consultant websites, build icon sets for SaaS landing pages. Every visual element a website needs can flow through Whisk first, giving you complete design control without touching Photoshop. The 3-layer control system inside Whisk keeps everything cohesive. Your client's branding stays consistent across every asset. Your layouts feel intentional, not cobbled together from random stock images. This level of polish is why clients pay premium rates instead of using Wix themselves. Anti-Gravity handles the code side with the same level of quality. It writes clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that developers would approve of. It structures everything properly. It makes your sites responsive without you manually testing 50 different screen sizes. The output is professional because the underlying model, Gemini 3 Pro, understands web development at an expert level. The competitive advantage you gain with this stack is significant. Traditional web developers still quote 4 to 6 week timelines. You deliver in days. Agencies still charge based on complexity and hourly rates. You charge based on value and speed. While everyone else is stuck in outdated workflows, you are operating like a one-person production studio. Now picture what your next 30 days look like after mastering this workflow. You have a repeatable system for delivering client websites that actually convert. You are not dependent on expensive tools or outsourced labor. You control your entire production pipeline using nothing but free Google tools and smart prompting. Local businesses will keep needing websites. E-commerce keeps growing. Every new product launch needs a landing page. This is not a temporary opportunity. This is a fundamental shift in how solo operators can compete with agencies. Whisk and Anti-Gravity hand you the leverage to do it. The difference between someone who watches this video and someone who profits from it comes down to action. Grab a Google account, open Whisk, generate your first asset, install Anti-Gravity, build one test page to understand the workflow, then go find your first client and charge real money. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.